Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Bright Lingo, Learn English channel. Today, we are talking about something very important. Many English learners understand English, but they can't speak confidently. Maybe you watch English videos. Maybe you understand movies. But when you try to speak, your mind becomes blank.
If this is you, don't worry. You are not alone. This is very common for language learners. And today, we will show you why it happens and how to fix it in a clear and simple way. Together, we will help you unlock your English voice. We are so happy that you are here with us today. If you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe Bright Lingo English channel, because here we learn English in a simple, calm, and easy way. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's learn step by step. Are you ready?
Let's begin. Hey, Jack. How was your day?
Oh, it was good. I met a new person today, but I had a funny moment.
What happened?
Well, I was speaking with someone who is learning English. He said that he understands English very well, but when he tries to speak, he feels stuck.
Oh, yes. I hear this from students every day. They understand English, but speaking feels difficult. Maybe they feel shy or nervous or afraid of making mistakes.
Exactly. And when the mouth tries to speak, the brain says, "Wait, don't talk. What if the grammar is wrong?"
Yes. But the truth is, grammar is not the most important thing in a conversation. The most important thing is communication.
Exactly. Even if your grammar is not perfect, you can still speak and express your ideas.
Let's talk about why you understand English but cannot speak confidently. Reason 1, you only watch English, you don't use English. Understanding is passive. Speaking is active. You have English in your mind, but your mouth does not have practice. Speaking is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes.
If you only watch English videos, your brain learns English. But if you never speak, your mouth never learns. Your brain understands English, but your mouth is shy.
Reason 2, fear of mistakes. Many people think, I will speak when my English is perfect. But guess what? If you wait for perfect English, you will never speak. Mistakes are not bad. They are proof that you are learning.
When a child learns to speak their first language, do they make mistakes?
Yes, many mistakes.
And we still understand them. And they speak more and more. And one day, they speak very well. You are the same. You are learning. Mistakes are normal.
Reason 3, you translate in your head. Some learners think in their first language and then translate into English. This takes time and makes speaking difficult.
Our goal is to think in English. Not perfect English, just simple English. For example, instead of thinking, "I am currently feeling slightly tired," just think, "I'm tired." Simple, clear, natural.
Tip 1, speak slowly. Many learners think speaking fast equals speaking well, but no. Speaking slowly helps your brain and your mouth work together. Say it with me. Slow is okay.
Again, repeat after us. Slow is okay. Good. Tip 2, use easy sentences. Don't try to speak like a native speaker. Speak like you. Example, don't say, "I would like to acquire new linguistic abilities." Say, "I want to learn English." Simple is powerful.
Tip 3, practice speaking alone. Talking alone is not strange. It is good practice. Example practice. Say, "Good morning. Today I will learn English. I am happy today. I will speak English slowly. 1 to 2 minutes every morning. Big progress in 30 days."
Tip 4. Shadowing technique. Shadowing means you listen, then you speak at the same time. Example. Play an English video and repeat every sentence with your voice. This trains your brain and mouth together. Tip 5. Don't think about grammar. Grammar is helpful, but when speaking, grammar is not your boss. Focus on meaning, message, connection. Speaking is communication, not perfection.
Okay, now we will practice speaking. Please repeat out loud. I can speak English. I don't need to be perfect. I speak slowly, and that's okay. I can learn step by step. My English voice is growing every day.
Great. Keep going.
Let's practice a short, simple conversation.
Hi, what's your name?
Say your name.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from? Say your country.
Wow, that's great.
What do you like to do in your free time? Say your hobby.
Amazing. See? You are already speaking English.
Today we learned you understand English, but speaking needs practice. Speaking slowly is okay. Mistakes are part of learning. Use simple words and short sentences. Practice speaking every day. Shadowing helps your mouth learn English. Believe in yourself. Your English voice is growing.
Remember, English is not a test. English is a conversation. And you can do this.
We believe in you. Thank you for learning with us today at Bright Lingo Learn English.
If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us in the comments, do you understand English but feel shy to speak? We will reply and help you.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.